Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your Magic Mouse not working or being recognized properly on your Windows computer. So while this was initially designed for Mac users, Windows users may also have the ability to use this mouse as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to locate on the left side where it says Bluetooth and devices. Go ahead and select that. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled to the on position, and you may also want to select add a device if you do not see your mouse listed under the mouse section in here. So again, if you do not see your Bluetooth mouse listed in here, you may have to select view more devices and then hopefully it would appear in here. And again, make sure Bluetooth is toggled to the on position. Make sure the batteries are also good in the mouse, so you may want to consider changing out the batteries. And then you may also want to try restarting your computer. So you may just want to restart your computer on that. And hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.